What's up, guys? Alright, let's get down to it. No, I can't remember where I put the whole XP thing. It's over player container. I should have put it under the skills, I think. Yeah, here we go. Now I gotta find the XP thing. So where is the XP bar? So I have it set up in the other scene. So let's go back to scene. Scenes, character creation, save. Okay. Let canvas. Here, gotta find my prefabs real quick. XP text. Okay, it's already been added. Alright, now let's go into XP text. I don't need to do this, but I think in the player stats. Okay. I need to run down. Am I using networking? Okay, I am. Player add. Okay, I think I gotta do if is local player. And in the bracket. I might have typed it wrong, but it's okay because I can check from the documentation in another tab. Like I said, all my networking right now is done through documentation, and there's not a whole lot of YouTube videos about it, so it's kind of annoying. Oh, okay, so it's not what it is. Alright, is local player. Okay, so that's correct. Network identity is local player. So what, I gotta have a network identity on it? But I have a network identity on this character. Network management. Okay. I have it as my player. What exactly am I doing wrong here? I don't think they have network behavior anymore, though. I don't think you can do that. Let's check here. I don't think it's I think they phased out the update, so the only thing you can do now is, but we'll check. Okay. Okay, well, if I get any other errors running this through network behavior, then it's fine. Okay, so the reason I'm checking for this is if it's not a local player, right, the player that you're playing on, I don't want to just add XP, because if it's not a local player, right, and someone were to kill a monster, then every single person that shares this script would be gaining XP. So I have to do an is local player check first. All right, now that we have this all added in, what we're going to do is we're going to cross this out, and then we're going to make a new instantiation, which is going to be a game object. And this game object is going to be called XP text, and this is going to equal to the text. Where is it? XP text. Oh, lowercase XP text. XP text. Dot game object. Let's see, instantiate, and then we're just gonna set the XP text dot transform dot position to equal to game object dot transform dot position. Then we want to get the text element, so we're gonna pull out the text component, and this is gonna be called temp XP text, I guess, I don't know. And then this is gonna be equal to XP text dot get component text, and then we're gonna say temp XP text dot text is equal to blank blank plus. Oh wait, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna say plus, and then plus added XP. We'll see how this works. It should work. I don't know any reason it shouldn't, but like I said, I'm still really new to this whole networking programming, so I might throw an error. I'm not really sure. And then I'm getting this stupid fucking importing shit. No, dude, I don't. Jesus fucking Christ. Great throws. It's one thing after another, man. God damn it. Some goddamn chicken on my leg. God damn it, man. Come on. God damn it, man. This is annoying. Come on. Oh, this is fucking annoying. There's no reason this should be happening that I can think of. Alright. Oh, this is annoying. Well, now I gotta deal with fucking issues with the actual app itself. That's wonderful. Well, great. So it looks like this is going to be the shortest stream I ever made. Whole thing's bugged out. See, my computer's trying to force an update right now. Unity's trying to force an update right now, so my computer's extremely slow. But, you know, obviously, as everyone knows, what's, you know, Windows is famous for is it forces you to do an update and then it fucks up your computer, so I'm trying to stall it. Okay. Alright, you know what, before it fucking does this, let's try to get this to run. Engine.object. Target object. I don't know. Okay, so that's weird. It looks like so I'm still having host problems with serializing the whatever object the game is trying to set up as the network object. Like I said, I don't know what, but I'm still having a lot of errors with my network identity, which I think it's just because I haven't converted everything yet, and so it's not going off network behavior, so it's confusing the shit out of Mirror. It's not a big deal, but like I said, I just gotta make sure the shit's working. Okay, all I care is that I get the XP thing working, so let's test it. So we got check fields Eden. Oh, I should probably set the parent as the network object so it's invisible to other players. I don't even know if it's going to spawn. We're going to have to pause it though. Okay. Where's that XP? Okay, let's go back to player stats, and then let's set the parent. So that's a transform. XP text dot transform dot parent equals, oh shit, I'm on English now again, equals this, just to make it simple. Okay. Oh, okay. This dot candidate. Eh. I think that'll work. This game's all weird with that, you know? Okay, of course, sure. The hair's all weird because I didn't set the hair. It's just a odd little glitch that happened recently. But like I said, I know what causes it, so it's not a really big deal, but... And then I gotta set that XP to equal 0. Like I said, that's just the debug thing, but it only updates when you're actually gaining XP. The reason I did that is just, I just don't want to be burning so much game CPU and computer CPU for constantly updating a bunch of things. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, you know what? It's the local player check, huh? No point in me doing a local player check when I'm not on a host right now. This is aggravating because I'm gonna have to literally convert everything and then add it all at once in order to get this to work. It's this is not fun, trust me. This whole network thing, I've never worked with it before. I thought it would be a little bit easier to convert a single player to an online game than it actually is. And so it's really bit me in the fucking ass because there's a lot of work I could have done that I basically skipped. Because I thought I could do it later. I didn't think it was going to be the major pain in the ass that it's been. So, yeah, lesson learned in the future. Don't ever do this shit. Because, like, you know, like the whole network manager thing has to be within the don't destroy unload thing. So every single person has to run a network manager. Like, there's just so many things that's, it's because it's Unity. Unity is just not the best fucking thing in the world to host an online game with, but yeah, I don't really have anything else, especially because I'm not rolling dough, so I don't got that money, fool. Eh? Okay. fucking see it. What the fuck? Yeah. Maybe I gotta move it under the canvas. Okay. 0.4. I still don't fucking see it. 1, 0. Okay, where is it? I gotta figure all this shit out. I don't see it. It's not appearing. Okay. Player HUD canvas. Okay, well, I gotta do a couple things anyways. Oh, okay, it appeared for a second. Alright, so what's working now? Okay, so one, I gotta go to the prefabs and I gotta attach that script because it's not. Oh, it is. Eh? This dot game object maybe. Okay. Now I gotta set. Okay, so let's go into player stats and let's look at anything I can use. Okay, so this player XP bar, okay, needs to be under a canvas in order for it to appear. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set that to the parent, and so therefore it'll bring it in the same hierarchy. So we're going to say XP equals player XP bar dot game object dot transform. Now it will be under a canvas and it'll hop to the right position. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, for fuck's sake, come on, it's gonna freeze again, look. Oh, come on with this shit. I've been having so many fucking problems with, stupid, wordy. Start adventure. And then I also got to set up the character button because I got to have that panel never go inactive, because basically the panel for the equipment has to constantly feed a validation check whether or not it's equipped. The reason I can't do that under the microscope is because if someone could click really fast, now like you did an auto clicker, it could be possible to trick the game into accidentally adding duplicate stats onto the player stat panel. So to avoid that, I'm literally just gonna like, here, I want to chase me a little bit. Okay. Let's see if this works. And then I'm also gonna add the XP thing. I forgot to do that. Ooh, it's way too big. Okay. Why is it so goddamn big? Alright, player. Let's turn that to 2. Oh no. Where is it? Experience bar. Okay. Clone. Why isn't it dead? Why is it so goddamn big? Okay, so 0.4. 0.41. Why is that green now? That's odd. Because it's given a network identity now. Alright, so go back to game. So we're gonna need to add a tax, and we're gonna have to set the scale because the scale is fucking weird. I don't like it. Okay, so we're gonna do and then also plus XP period maybe. Yeah, sure. And then save. Then we're gonna go down to XP text dot transform dot local. Is it that local scale? And then it's gonna equal new vector 3. This is gonna be 0.4 float, 0.4 float, and 1 float. Okay. I don't think I need to set the local scale with a capital L in the front. I don't know, I haven't done it in a while. Okay, yeah, I don't. Okay. Now, this should work. It should work. 100% work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay. So let's give them blonde hair this time. Racist. No, I'm joking. Billy. So let's go with Billy. All right. I kind of want to make this bigger, but whatever. I think I'm going to have it where on start, the XP bar thing is going to equal the value of the slider, because it's kind of weird that it, say 98.8% as soon as you start, it'll confuse the shit out of people when they play the. And then also, I think once I finish up this network identity thing, and it will play on WebGL without having to connect to a server and not giving a black screen either. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the... okay, so it works, but it's not playing. That's weird, and it's a little too low, so let's fix that. And then, so we're going to say is equal new vector 2. Okay, and it's going to be game object dot position dot x. Okay, and then game object dot transform dot position dot y plus 0.5 float. I think that's enough. And then we're just going to cap it off. See if that's high enough. Now, we got to go back to the scene. Oh, sorry. Game, project, and I gotta get rid of this hierarchy thing. And we gotta go to my prefab thing one more time. Go to XP up text. And I think we need to go to the animation. Animator. Okay, so this is the default. That's weird. Okay. That's weird. It should be automatically playing whatever the first thing is. If that's the way that I have it set up. And then I'm gonna say owner sync mode is only for the person that has this, because I don't really see the point of yeah, no point in having it visible to everyone else. All right. Well, let's just see if it's actually going the right place, anyways. Rick. I should have named that guy Rick. Rick. Oh. I don't like him being naked, you know. I like to give him a shirt, at least. Alright, let's kill this goddamn rat. Oh, dude, I think I'm getting bit by fucking mosquitoes. That sucks. Red Bull, I give you wings. Okay. A little better actually, but maybe I should go by I don't know, one float? Okay, I gotta see what the fuck is going on though. Why this is not playing correctly. Okay, so this doesn't have an animator on it. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. I don't get it. Why doesn't that have a fucking animator? Okay. So the XP text. Oh, that's what it is. Well, I should have saw that coming. All right. Needs to be called XP up text. Serialized field. It's just because I'm not working on this enough, so you gotta forgive me. XP up text. Boom. Okay, there we go. Now we're just gonna convert all that. All right. XP up text. I only need to reference it one time. Okay. Go back. Where is it? Fuckers. Eh? Where is it? Okay, I don't understand. Where is the XP up text? Yo, bro, what the fuck? Why isn't this up? Why isn't this updating? I don't understand. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Alright, I'm gonna delete a text element and then pop it back in and see if that'll jog it. Control S. Okay. Serialized field. Why? What the fuck? Holy shit, dude. Cut. What, I can't alter it? So I gotta... Man, I don't understand. It's because I changed just the network behavior tag? Oh my god. Nothing can be simple with this shit. There's not any documentation on this crap. I gotta, like, basically fucking guess all of it. Okay, finally it worked. That was weird. That took like 10 fucking tries before it finally... Alright, prefabs. XP up text. Alright. Now it should work. And then tomorrow we're gonna set up the whole network identity thing. Well, actually, I think what I'll do is I'll set up the unequipping for the player tomorrow instead. Oh, whatever. I don't care, you fuck. Okay, now it's doing this shit again. Great. It wasn't doing that before. This thing is so fickle, man. Sometimes the server works, and then other times it throws all these errors. It's kind of annoying, to say the least. Let's just hope this damn XP worked, because I'm 40 minutes in stream, and as long as I got this working, I can call it a night. I don't really care. I'm probably gonna set the load system up though to also to save the XP level, so the player level plus the amount of XP they have, and then I also got to save the current stats. And then I think after that, well, I think I'm gonna only work on the networking stuff, because I need it to where multiple players can connect on the game and not have a black screen when they try to play from GitHub. Okay, so I think it worked actually. I'll try one more time. I wasn't actually paying attention. I was too busy talking about what my plans were for the next couple days. Okay, let's do this again. Pow. Yeah, I can actually finally work on the damn programming, because one of the video games I played, I got back to making YouTube videos for that, so it cuts a lot of time I need to in order to grind on that game. You know, because That's what's important to me. Alright, go on. Oh, whoa, it's really high. So it is working, but it's just way too high. Okay. So it spawned like up here above the XP. Now that I have it just set at the actual game position of the object, I'm hoping it's gonna spawn where it should. But we'll see. Ugh. Might as well use my joystick, right? Spend all that time making it. His hair is backwards. I don't wanna know. Tell me your master crop control. Still too high. So I don't really get it, but maybe I gotta do this dot gain object. Not really sure. Okay. Let me try one more time. Alright, one more attempt to get this damn XP thing to go where I want it. But yeah, I gotta set up a whole lot of stuff with the whole network animations and stuff, and it's just gonna be a lot of work. Honestly, even though I have the game basically done in single player, like I have most of the things functioning, actually getting this ready for multiplayer server, I think it's gonna take a while, because I basically gotta rewrite the whole game, and I just gotta, yeah, it's gonna be fucking die, bitch. Still going weird. Okay. You know what? What if I set the parent? Okay. And then the position. I think that might fix it. Because I think when I'm setting back the parent, it's snapping back to the parent transform. So I think if I set it to the player transform, it'll snap to its position and then snap to the position I want it to. I mean, at least that's the whole theory. I wish I had my ability panels already up, so I could like hit dash all the other stuff that I plan on doing in this game with the skills, but not yet. Alright, Wait, was that in the right spot, dude? I didn't even notice. Oh my god, dude. Here we go. I don't want the rat attacking me. I don't know where this shit's spawning, that's the problem. I think it's still spawning above the XP bar, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it is. God damn it. I don't... See, I could just have it reference, right, the XP bar and then just minus it a bunch, which I think I'm just going to have to do. So let's just say -5 float and then see where that puts it. Because this, like I said, the behavior that it's giving is really odd. It shouldn't be doing this now that I set the position back to the center point of the character, but it's still trying to. Alright. Maki bro. That's gonna be the name. It's Maki's. Ah! What did you hit me with? What was that?
Chicken thing. Garbage.
I can do that.
This is sorry, please. You're welcome.
Maki.
Nani.
I changed the name of my character, nothing.
Oh.
Fucking chicken sauce all over me. Annoying. Oh, she always does this when I'm streaming. She never bothers me, but when I'm streaming, she comes in like 20 times. Dude, seriously, come on. I don't get it. I don't see why it's not working. It should not be spawning there. Let me check. Shut up. She always does this when I'm fucking. Only when I stream she does this. When I'm not, she leaves me alone for hours. But magically, when I'm streaming for an hour, she's like, "Oh hey, attention whore." I gotta pause this, and then I gotta look at the clone, and then look at what the animation's doing. It's the only other thing I can think, because I have it set to anchored position, so wherever it appears should be the anchored position. I can't really think of any reason why it's appearing up there now, because I gave it a fixed transform to the reference of the 0 point of my character transform, which is right here, 0, 0. So I don't know why. Okay. Clone. Let's see, it's anchored. It's anchored position. I don't get why. That's weird. It shouldn't. Okay, I'm gonna set this the fucking position to the XP, to the HP bar. I think that'll fix it. Alright, so we're gonna set the parent to player overhead HP bar. Okay. Now, and I'm gonna say to plus equal new vector 2, and this is gonna be 0 float, 0.5 float, and that should be enough because I only want it to just be itself plus a tiny bit. Okay. Not really. Three, and then I'll just say 0 float because I'm not changing the z either. All right, this should be it. Oh, whoa, and magically it doesn't. Rick Sanchez. Oh, it contains spaces. I forgot I don't allow that. Rick. Blech. Tiny Rick. On the master flow. Oop. I'm looking at where my stream is, seeing how far behind it is. Alright, it's not very far behind actually. Come on. Didn't even show up at all that time. God damn it. Okay, as soon as it dies, I'm gonna pause it and then look at where this damn thing went. It's taking fucking forever. Bro, this position is really far off. I don't really get that. Alright, equals new vector 2, and we're just gonna say this dot game object dot transform dot x. I shouldn't have to type all this out, damn it, but whatever. And then dot y plus float, and then I'm just gonna set this to vector 2 now that I'm not doing the plus variable. Okay. Okay, if it doesn't work, I'm at a loss for the night. You know, all this networking shit doesn't work the way that I'm used to, so having all this shit as network is just confusing as fuck. Like, why does it sometimes throw errors and sometimes it doesn't? Okay. If this doesn't work, then I'll figure it out tomorrow. Because it's already almost 1 a.m. and I feel like spending some time with my wife and then playing some more video games. And I've done an hour, so it's enough for the day, I guess. I'm gonna get this damn game finished, I just don't know when, you know? Okay. That's fine. I can work with that. I can work with that. I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I can work with that. Alright, so it's pretty big too. But I think that's needed. Okay, we got it. It's done. Tomorrow or the next day or whenever I'm programming again, I'm just gonna finish up the character equipment panel, and then I think what I'm gonna do maybe on an off day is I'm just gonna draw up a dagger or a better fist, and I'm just gonna add a weapon thing to equip on the panel, and then I'm gonna add like a little animation where it like shows a fist going down on enemies if you're attacking with bare hands, or it's gonna show it the sword or weapon swing the enemies if you have a weapon equipped. And then it's all networking stuff. All networking stuff, because everything else is basically done except just a couple more buttons and shit. Alright, well, I at least accomplished what I wanted to today, so we can call it a win, I guess. Alright, well, I hope you guys had a nice time watching. I hope you learned something and what to and not to do. Talk to you guys later. Peace. And don't forget to like,